Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz and another expression which is related to also PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So here we have the expression which is 4 multiply and use parentheses like 10 plus 15 divided by 5 multiply by 4 minus 2 multiply by 2. So we will find out after solving what is the correct answer. We have four options 72, 66, 48, and 40. So we will see what rules we will apply and how we can get the correct answer of this expression. So before starting my video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn from these quizzes from my channel. And don't press the bell icon so you can easily get the latest video from my channel. So now let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, we have to recap like what is the PAMDAS and BODMAS method and where they are using. So if you talk about the PAMDAS commonly used in the USA and the BODMAS commonly used in the UK, but both are same. Like here is some different words, but which has same meaning, like parenthesis, and in the BODMAS we have the bracket. But the main concept of both of them are similar. Like if we talk about the parentheses, so we have square bracket, curly bracket. So we have the round bracket, curly bracket, and square. And if we talk about the exponent or order in the board mass, so we have to know like what is the power and what is the root and indexes. Multiplication and division have same precedence in both rules. Like if you are going to left to right in your expression, so if you get the division first, so you can solve that one. And if you have the multiplication, so you have to solve a multiplication first. So both has same precedence. That's why we put in the same line. And similarly for addition and subtraction, both also have the same precedence if you are going to left to right. So now let's start the main expression and we will see like what answer we will get after solving using the BODMAS or PAMDAS method. Okay, this is the expression. So now we have to move first. First we will decide we are using the PAMDAS method or you can save the BODMAS. Now we have to go left to right, like this direction, right, left to right. And now we'll see which is coming. So if we see the parentheses, so it means if you see in this expression, so here we have parentheses, this one and this one. So this expression we will solve first because of as per rule of BODMAS and PAMDAS, we have to solve the parenthesis or bracket first. So first we will solve this expression. We will go 4 multiply by. Okay, now in this parenthesis, we have to see which operation is coming. We will solve first. So in this expression, we have to solve this 15 divided by 5 as according to the PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So we will solve first this one. So we will write 10 as it is and 15 divided by 5 which is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2, right? And all the numbers we will write as it is, right? Now we will go again left to right and we will see which two numbers we will solve according to the BODMAS or PAMDAS method. So this number we will solve first as we will go left to right. So we will solve this one first as per rule. So 10 plus, and this is 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So we will write 12 here. And again, we will write other terms as it. Now we will go left to right again, left to right. Okay, here we can give the reference here. Solve division first. Here we solve multiplication. Now we will move forward. So here we have other um, multiplication, which is 2 multiplied by 2. So we will solve this one first. So again, we will go left to right, 10 plus 12 minus 2 to the 4, right? So here we will give the reference by we solve the multiplication. Now we will move forward and check again left to right. So here we have now as per rule we can solve this one 10 plus 12. So we will move forward and go 4 10 plus 12 is 22. Again minus 4 and we will write as it is. Now we have to move forward left to right and we will solve parenthesis this one again. So here 22 minus 4 is okay. Here we will give the reference. Here we solve the addition. Right? Now 22 minus 4 is 18. And here we solve subtraction. Right? Now again we will move left to right. And here we do not have any sign. So it means that we have the multiplication sign without showing. So we call this term is implied multiplication, where the multiplication sign is not appearing, but both numbers are multiplying each other. So we will multiply 4 multiplied by 12, and now we will get the answer 18 multiplied by 4, 8 for the 32, 3 1 the 3, sorry, 3 is in carry, 4 1 the 4, and 3 in 7. So the correct answer of this expression is 72, right? So let's see which one is this answer. So if you see in the answer list, so we have the A answer is correct of this expression. So I hope you understand that how you can solve this expression using BODMAS or BODMAS method, and you get the correct answer. So thank you for watching. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. And don't press the bell icon and like the button. So we will meet in next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.